Alrighty, fellas and fellettes, welcome back to the Hot Damn Racing Team, and if you're new here, welcome. Alright, this is the third video, my aux panel install. So what I had originally, if you didn't see the first two videos, I'll leave a link in the description. The first video is installing this panel and the adapter connector. The second video, we got it working with the Alpha OBD. This video, I'll show you where I put the relay box for now. All right, which I think it's a pretty good spot. I still want to clean it up a little more. All right, so this is the original switch panel that was in here. This truck has front and rear park sense, okay, the tow haul, traction control on and off. That's what it had. It didn't have the trailer brake controller. I'll do that next. Okay, so people ask me this question. I'm going to go ahead and answer this now. All right, instead of having levers, yes, now your panel is push button for your tow haul, traction control on and off, and your park sense front and rear. All right, so now they're just push buttons. They're still there, they stay there. All right, and anything that you lose here usually is up in your radio, so you're really not losing anything. You're just, I guess you're losing the conveniency of it being right there as a button, but not really losing anything. Okay, so I installed the relay box, all right, and this is what I did, just to move along. All right, I have some little alligator clamp things here connected to a LED bulb so we can demonstrate that it works still. Okay, so here's where I installed the box. If you look right here on the side here, there are 1, 2, 3, and 4 little bolts. It would be kind of cool if that connected maybe from this one to this one or this one to that one. I just put it on one bolt, tighten it up on there, pretty nice. All right, so got the box in and I was able to, I got a flashlight here. Okay, you see where the braided line is going? Not really, because all right, there's a little rubber grommet deal down there. I was able to easily push the connector through to the other side. We'll go check that out real quick. Okay, let's see if we can see it. All right, it's that nasty one right there. I don't know, brand new truck. The rubbers are pretty gross. All right, so yeah, it was really easy to push it right through there. It slid right through, and I just connected it somewhere in front of here. You can see some of the braided right there. So it's plenty of line. Connected the connector. All right, anyway, so we got it all connected. Everything's connected. What I would like to do, though, on my 4th gen Ram truck is right here. I kind of like it right here. It's just right here where I can change the relays, fuses, whatever I want. There's fuses and relays in here. This here, daytime, I don't know, flash. All right, so I got my 6 power lines here. See how they're kind of just laying out? This is how I have it on my 4th gen truck. Well, they're laying this way, the opposite direction. But what I would like to do is maybe make a panel right here. Connect these all into the panel. Maybe have them numbered or something like that. And whenever I hook up whatever LEDs, rock lights, whatever I need power for, I'd like to just put a connector onto that wire and then plug it right into my panel. All right, to get moving along on installation is really simple. You have the one connector that's going through the firewall I showed you in the previous videos, and you have only one line going to your battery, all right, or your 12-volt power source, just one. There isn't a ground. If you're looking for a ground or anything like that, there isn't a ground. It's just, you'll have these, you'll get these 2 little wires right here, and they just connect right on just like that, all right? And if you have the same setup here, if you do it like this, your battery cover deal will go back on nice and sweet, okay? So you guys can do it however you like, okay? It's up to you. I'm gonna clean it up a little bit more here. I'd like to make that little box deal, maybe hide these wires where, you know, you don't really see them that much. It'd be pretty neat. All right, so yeah, okay, demonstration on it working. Okay, so we have our little bulb here. I already did a test, so I already know it works. So yeah, it works, but we'll go ahead and light her up. Come in here. It's gonna be noisy. Works on run. Those that up. Let's close this door so it's not, oh, well, okay, let's do this. I believe it's number one. Okay, number one lights up, and that little light bulb should be lit, and it is. Yeah, so yeah, it works. Pretty cool deal. I guess maybe you can listen to it go through the relays, or maybe not here. Try to set this camera up somehow. All right, there it is, fellas. It's as simple as it gets. It's a hot damn and a hell yeah. Y'all the baddest. Get some.